the fact that you're still here, no matter what happened, it's just a fucking miracle. You have been through hell. I'm not talking about dark night of the soul, because you know how this is a rite of passage for evolution, ascension of your soul. I'm talking about the wounds that you carried in your DNA, the one that you have inherited from past life, the one that you have inherited from your lineage, the one that your family put on you on this lifetime. You're just a survivor. Welcome to the one person, because what's beautiful about God's plan is everything has a sense, everything has a meaning, everything has a meaning. God no make mistakes. Everything is just the way it's supposed to be. And you're here to rise and become, I'm hearing, a trophy for others to understand God, how God works. You had the choice. You had to choose, but you had the choice. You could literally stop, because no one to on the timer. No one. It's self-love beyond. It's love, but it's self-love. You could let yourself, I'm hearing, have a break, and this break could stay for, thank you for the confirmation on my phone, stay for a very long time, because after so many trials and tribulation, after so many challenges, after so many battles, inner, outer, you could just be like, hey God, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. I got enough. And that would made you a legend already, but you're beyond that. You're something else. You are definitively made to last, made to build something that is going to last. You are destined for greatness and for the abundance that is going to participate rebuilding this planet. Because within the next 3 years, you're going to see everything you thought would be permanent completely collapse. And you're going to be here fully abundant to be able to launch your dreams. Because your dreams are light. Your dreams are beautiful. Your dreams radiating the most high plan. You're here to build the next world. Oh my God, you are so here to bring peace over chaos. Heart of Mother Gaia, Pachamama. You're a friend. And I love you. You're a friend. And I honor you. You're a friend and I see you honoring your mission no matter what. You're a fucking hero and I love you and I shall meet you at some point. Cycles. Yeah, I hope you can feel this karmic cycle ending. It's been a long one. It was a long way coming home to who you truly are. If you want to dig deeper and actually activate your higher self, your true mission, if you want to activate your full potential, align with your true authentic self, erasing the karmics of your life, erasing the suckers out of your life, erasing the vampire, the cords, the traumas, the trapped emotion, check my website. You're a friend of Mother Gaia and I love you because I'm here on this planet to activate with beautiful other souls her Kundalini, bring her back home. Oh my goodness. We actually have the card, the most important card of the deck, which is Illumination. I'm talking to a very illuminated one. You may go through your Kundalini awakening or it's about to happen. Something magical is brewing and within the next few days, you're going to know more about this illumination. I'm hearing the show must go on. It's so beautiful. Stay tuned and until next time.